Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost up your Windows 11. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open up your settings and head over to personalization. Scroll down and click on device usage. Here you can select one of these according to your usage and it helps to optimize your PC. Next, go to apps and click on Startup. Here you can disable all of the unnecessary programs that you don't want when your PC boots up. This definitely helps to make your PC faster, so try it out. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Click on Find My Device and turn off this option. Next, go to Privacy and Security and click on General. Here just turn all the options off. Next, go to Privacy and Security, click on the location and turn off the location services. Again, go to Privacy and Security and just turn off this option. Go to your account info and turn off the Let Apps Access Your Account Info option. Now turn off all the other options like phones, messaging, call history, email and radios. Next, go to System, Storage and turn on this Storage Sense option. It helps to clean up unnecessary files. Next, go to Apps and Features and uninstall some applications that you don't use anymore. It's better to remove the app completely and it does help your PC to work faster. Just press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in %temp% and just delete all the files. It's okay to delete these files because they are just temporary files and you can leave the files that are not deleted. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.